The kids really enjoyed the little beach we ended our hike at the other day, so we've decided to go back and spend the afternoon there. So the mini buses are a little confusing and they don't always show up on the Mapper apps. So you kind of have to just go to a mini bus station and hope that there's a bus ready and available and it doesn't take too long to fill up to get you where you want to go. But we found our mini bus to take us to Big Wave Bay.
Yeah, I remember one time we were at the beach and you can find these little clams, like, and if you see like little holes, like little like swirly holes, kind of dirt, you can like dig under them and you can find like little clams. I did that once and I just put them in a bucket.
So another thing is that these buses don't use cards, so you have to make sure you have cash, which we're not always very good about, and then you pay when you get off. We actually just helped some other people, which makes us feel like experts. But we're not experts. And the only reason we found these buses is because we just happened to see them.
Green minibus is very easy and helpful. Red minibuses, I don't know why they're different.
I don't know.
I don't know.
But it's a holiday week, and so there are lots of tourists, and we're hoping that by going out of the way to an out of the way beach, it might be a little less crowded than some of the bigger beaches.
I'm ready, son. Let's go.
This day was just so much fun because as Titus and Noelle and I were just out in the waves, just having fun and playing around, I knew that we had made the right decision to come here. It really just hit me at that moment that, you know, leaving my job to come over here and do what we're doing has just been so amazing, and we would not have had that opportunity had we not taken this step. And it just really hit me in that moment.
Here. Making a heart.
Why?
I don't know, I just wanted to. I picked up 3 plastic bottles so far, like at the ocean shore, and none of them have had a treasure map or a message inside. And I'm disappointed, very
Hey, you have fun? What was your favorite part?
Playing in the waves. That's like the only thing we did.
Yeah. But you could keep going?
Huh?
You could keep going? But the sun's going down. It's getting a little chilly.
After a long day playing on the beach, some much deserved dinner.
We're eating some okay curry food.
Chicken and rice. Yeah.
Chicken and rice.
Chicken? And fries. This is not the kind of chicken that goes with fries.
They're like wings. They're good.
So there's a pretty long line for the bus, and it only takes 16 at a time. And you can see there's a lot more than 16 people. So there's another bus station where the double-decker buses pick you up. So we're going to walk down the road. It's about a 15 minute walk. So and it's 6 o'clock. So here we go. Here comes a good adventure.
So besides going on a minibus, we are going to walk 12 minutes.
Made it to the bus stop on the side of the road, so we just have to wait here and see if a bus shows up, I guess. All right, we've moved to another bus stop because we want to go in the right direction. And good thing it's well lit, 'cause it is getting darker. But we have seen people jogging, so I know that it's not kind of an unsafe area, but
It's getting late.
getting late and waiting on a bus.
We're no longer alone.
Yay, the bus is here.
We're on a bus, and it's very, very full. Thankfully, we were the first in line and able to get on this bus, but it's
4 of the 5
standing room only.
4 of the 5 people that were able to get on. Whoa.
Hold on, Daddy.
We made it to the train station. Everybody get excited. Now we know exactly where to go and how to get there.
And how long it'll take.
And about how long it'll take. Adventure almost over. Pretty much over.
Okay, we thought our bus was full, but then he stopped and he let one guy on. Which, I mean, you don't want the guy just sitting there at a bus station by himself in the dark, right? So no big deal. Then we passed some stations where there are people waiting, and he just goes through, no big deal. But then there was a family with little kids, and our bus driver is apparently a bleeding heart for little kids. So 4 more. Sure, there's room for them too. We got very friendly with the Chinese family. We are treating ourselves with gelato because after an hour and a half to get back home, we deserve it. What you got?
Probably the best cookies and cookie ice cream sandwich ever.
Yeah. This place is XTC Gelato. Very
Hope it's
yummy
good.
dark chocolate.
Well deserved after a long day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell.